Hi, welcome along, and in today's video I've got an absolute belter for you from 1963, a big hit for Cliff and the Shadows. I think it's got to #1 for them. This had a film attached to it. It's called Summer Holiday, written by Bruce Welch of the Shadows. I'm sure you're going to love it. Lots to get stuck into today. If you like today's video, don't forget to do me a massive favour and do click like and subscribe for me, as it does help me grow the channel, which in turn helps me bring you more guitar-based tutorials. So with all that said and done, if you're ready, go grab your guitar. I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Right, Summer Holiday. Let me show you how that's done. So first off, we're going to hold down on the 9th fret. We're going to hold down strings, the G string and the B string with our first finger. And then what we're going to do, 1 fret more on the 10th fret, we're going to have our second finger on the B string. And on the 11th fret, we're going to have our third finger on the G string. Now, we're going to slide up twice so that our second finger is on the 12th fret and the third finger is on the 11th fret of the B string and the G string respectively. And what's going to do, we're going to slide up twice. One more time. And then the first position that we was originally in. And then first finger on that 9th fret. So I'll just do that for you again. Okay. And then we do it again. It's twice. And then strike it and then pull it back. So here we go. And again. So stop. And again. And that's how you play the intro. Right, okay. First off, let's just tell you some chords. So we've got the chords for this song. It's in the key of E. We've got E, D flat minor, F sharp minor, and then B. That's the chord sequence predominantly for most of the verse. The strum pattern is down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Let me show you some chords. So first off, we've got the E. D flat minor is barring the all 6 strings, and then we're going to go with our second finger. We're going to be on the B string, 5th fret. With our third finger, we're going to be on the D string on the 6th fret, and just underneath that on the G string 6th fret, we're going to have our little finger. That's going to give us a D flat minor. Okay, so I'll just show you that up to the screen for those who are not familiar with that chord. Next chord along is an F sharp minor, which is barring all 6 strings on the 2nd fret, and then on the 4th fret A string we've got our third finger, and just underneath that on the 4th fret of the D string we've got our little finger. That's going to give us an F sharp minor. And then what you can do, you can collapse that down and bridge down the D string, G string and B string with our little finger, and then press down. That gives us a B chord. Take care not to play that E string, because if you hold that down you get what's known as a B6 chord, which is not awful, but it's not completely correct. So try and either stop shy of playing that E string, or maybe slightly lift off, or whatever you want to do, lift off away from it so that that bottom string is muted. That's another way of doing it, but do try not to hit that E string. So that's one way of playing the bar chord of a B. The other way is to just leave your little finger out altogether and hold down strings 4, 3, 2 with your third finger. That also gives you a B. So chords, we're going to go E, D flat minor, F sharp minor, B, E, D flat minor, F sharp minor, B, D, D flat minor, F sharp minor, B. Then we've got F sharp minor, B, E, G sharp minor, G minor, F sharp minor, B, and E. Now, what's going on there? A lot going on there. So what we are doing, that was like a step down. So we've got All that is this minor shape that we had for the F sharp minor. If you slide that up to the 4th fret, you get the G sharp minor. Now what's going to go on there is this is like a transition down to the F sharp minor. So we're ba 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 for we go to that bit, yeah? So what goes on there, you just literally go 1, 2, 3, just downstrokes on that. One more time for you. Now it's important that you keep your fingers on the strings but don't press when you're coming down. So release, release, gives you an easier step down. So let's go through them chords again. So we've got E, D flat minor, F sharp minor, B, E, D flat minor, F sharp minor, B, E, D flat minor, F sharp minor, B, F sharp minor, B, E, step down, step down, step down, F sharp minor, no, B and E. So we got the F sharp minor, B and E. That's the verse, all right? One more time and then we'll move on to We're Going Where the Sun Shines Brightly. So here we go. So we've got E, D flat minor, F sharp minor, B, E, D flat minor, F sharp minor, B, E, D flat minor, F sharp minor, B, F sharp minor, B and E. Step down, step down, step down, B and E. Right, we're going where the sun shines brightly now. Here we go. So we've got F sharp minor, B, E, F sharp minor, B and E. Right. Remember that chord? That was the first chord we had for the step down. That's a G sharp minor. We've got that for 2 bars now. We've seen it in the movies. G sharp minor and G sharp minor. And then this time when we slide down to the next chord, instead of doing an F sharp minor, we're going to put a finger on. We're going to put a finger on the 3rd fret of the G string, which is going to give us an F sharp major. Got it? Right, so that was the minor, this is the major, okay? So let's take you through that. So we're going where the sun shines brightly. So that's an F sharp major. Okay, here we go. So we've got F sharp minor, then B and E. F sharp minor, B and E. G sharp minor, G sharp minor, G sharp minor. F sharp, B, slide it up. That gives us a C now. We've gone up from a B to a C. Or you can go, if you was doing that one, B to a C. Key change. We got F, D minor, G minor, C. F and D minor, G minor, C. F, D minor, G minor, C. G minor, C. F, D minor, G minor, C and F. 2, 3, 4. Okay? We'll go through that key changed verse one more time. F, D minor, G minor, C. You might have seen me do a C like that a minute ago. That's fine. So we've got a C like that you may be familiar with. Or if you put your 3rd finger onto the 3rd fret of the E string and put your little finger on below, you get what's known as a G over C, which is, I call it a big C. It gives you a more full sound. It's a nicer sounding C. Sounds good. Right, okay, so verse, little explanation there for you. But here's the verse. So we've got F, D minor, G minor, C. F, D minor, G minor, C. F, D minor, G minor, C, then G minor, C, and F, D minor, G minor, C, and then back to F. Right, I'm going to show you the guitar solo now, and bearing in mind we're going back to the original key because the guitar solo happens when the song is pottering around in the key of E. So, back to what we learned at the beginning of the video. So we're going to have our first finger on the 9th fret of and hold down strings, G string and the B string. And we're going to do that slidey up thing we did earlier in the intro. So the intro is the same. So it's the beginning of the guitar solo is very much like the intro. So we've got, okay, and again, that's all the same. So 3 times. And then you've got this bit. So we're on the G string and we're going to go between the 1st finger and the 3rd finger. And that's going to be between the 9th and the 11th fret. So that's what you're going to do. You're going to go once and then twice. Bam, bam. And then you're going to bend up and bring it down. And then back to the 1st finger. Okay. And then we're going to go up to the D string on the 11th fret. Once. And then the 9th fret of the D string. So let's put all that together. And then back to the G string, 9th fret. So, and then we're going to bend up again. So strike it and then lift it up. And then bend it one more time. 1st finger on the 9th fret. 11th fret D string, 9th fret D string, 9th fret D string. So all together it goes. And then we're going to slide up with our 2 fingers like we did before. So up to the 12th and 13th fret. Back to where we originally was. And then 1st finger. Okay, so. Okay, one more time for you. So here we go. So we got. And then bend up. 1st finger. 3rd finger on the 11th fret of the D string. 9th fret of the D string, 9th fret of the G string, and then so you return back to the 9th fret of the G string, and then we've got strike it, then bend it up, bring it down, and then one more time, and then we slide up. There we have it, Summer Holiday by Cliff and the Shadows. How did you get along? Let me know down in the comments section below, along with any other song suggestions you may have for songs you'd like me to rip to pieces and show you how to play in another video. If you've liked today's video, can you please do me a massive favour and click like and subscribe, as it does help me grow the channel, which in turn does help me to bring you more guitar-based tutorials. Talking of tutorials, I'm currently running Zoom lessons, so if you're interested in having a one-to-one Zoom guitar lesson with me, don't forget to click on to www.danielberryguitartutor.com for more details on my website. So with all that said and done, I wish you a lovely, lovely day, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye bye.